Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel tickets on Viagogo. To cancel tickets on Viagogo, these are the steps that you need to take. First off, I would like you to know that Viagogo typically does not allow direct cancellation or refunds for tickets once purchased, as most sales are final. However, if you can no longer attend the event or need to cancel, you may have the option to resell the tickets instead. These are the steps that you need to take to review your options. First, open your browser and go to www.viagogo.com. Then, follow the necessary prompts to log in if prompted. Now, once you're logged in, head over to the My Profile, hover over the My Profile icon, and you're going to find a couple of options in the drop-down menu. From here, click on My Hub. And once it takes you to the My Hub section, you're going to see a couple of options in the left navigation menu. Go to the left navigation menu and click on My Others. And once you click on this, the Others page will be open where all your tickets will be organized. Now find the specific order for the tickets you want to cancel or resell and click on it to view the details. Once you click on it, check the order details and Viagogo's policies to confirm if the tickets are eligible for any type of cancellation, as cancellation policies are event specific. If the order explicitly states that cancellations or refunds are not allowed, you will need to consider reselling the tickets. Now, if cancellation is not possible, you can list the tickets for resale on Viagogo. Now, click on Sell in the top right corner of the Viagogo page, and once you click on it, go ahead and locate the resale option. Okay, if you click on Sell in the top right of the Viagogo page, it's going to take you here where you can now, of course, sell your ticket. Or you can just locate, as alternatively, you can locate the resell option next to the tickets in My Orders. So there are literally two ways to go about this. Head over to this where you can now select the event and sell your tickets, or you can just click on resell option that is next to the tickets in the My Orders section. So just follow the prompts to list your tickets for resale, including setting the price and confirming the listing. Once the tickets are resold, you receive a payout based on the payment method you have set up. If you believe you have a valid reason for a refund or cancellation, such as an event cancellation or major issue, you may need to contact Viagogo customer support. In My Hub, which we have here, I'm going back to my home page. Now, head over to Profile and click on My Hub. Head over to the left navigation menu and click on Customer Support. Now, click on Customer Support and follow the instructions to submit an inquiry. Provide your order details and explain your situation. Be aware that responses may vary based on Viagogo's policies. If you have contacted customer support, keep an eye on your email for updates or instructions from Viagogo. If you listed your tickets for resale, Viagogo will notify you when the tickets are sold and provide information on the payout. Now, in most cases, Viagogo does not offer direct cancellations or refund for purchased tickets. However, you can resell your tickets to recoup costs. If cancellation is due to exceptional circumstances, reaching out to Viagogo support may just provide additional options. Now, go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.